Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious mango and banana fruit smoothie. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you a little bit about mangoes and bananas. Let's start with the mango. Mangoes are a fruit that grows on a tree in a tropical or hot climate. You couldn't grow them where we live because the winter is way too cold for them. They originally came from India. And a mango is like a peach or a plum in that it has an outer skin, a fleshy portion which is the part that we eat, and a stone or a pit, a large one, in the center. And inside this, I can almost feel it with my fingers, is a single seed. Mangoes have lots of health benefits. I'm going to read you some of them. They prevent and fight cancer. They lower cholesterol. They promote eye health. They help digestion, clear the skin, strengthen the immune system, and help fight heat stroke. Now let's talk about bananas. They're originally from Southeast Asia. And like a mango, it's also a tropical fruit. Bananas, however, grow on a plant, not on a banana tree, and they grow in bunches. Bananas have an outer skin or a peel, and inside, let's open that up, is the part we like to eat, that fleshy part. Now I'm going to cut open my banana. I don't know if you can see, I'll hold it real close. You see these little black specks? Those are what's left of the banana seed. The interesting thing about bananas is they're grown commercially, and as the market got bigger and bigger, they have started growing them without the seeds. The seeds are no longer usable. A banana is sterile, and bananas actually grow from bulbs, so we don't really need the seeds anymore. Bananas are a healthy source of potassium and fiber. They also contain vitamin B6 and vitamin C and various antioxidants and phytonutrients. That means they keep us healthy. A banana is also considered a superfruit because of the amount of potassium they contain. Mangoes and bananas go together great in smoothies. Mangoes can be juicy. Bananas, they're not juicy. So if you don't have a mango for your smoothie, other juicy fruits you can use are strawberries, peaches, raspberries, or blueberries, or any other juicy fruit you might have around. Now, let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how to make a mango banana smoothie. Okay, let's get started. For your mango banana smoothie, you'll need a mango peeled and sliced, one whole banana peeled and sliced, yogurt, a half a cup of milk, and some honey, 1 tablespoon or to your liking. One of the things I especially like about making this fruit smoothie with children is that they can do a lot of the work. They can certainly peel and slice the banana, and once you've peeled your mango, if it's soft, they can chop that up. And of course, they can help you pour in the rest of the ingredients. I've got my blender ready, so I'm going to put in my mango. Next, I add my banana. Going to pour in my yogurt, half a cup. Before I pour my milk in, I'm going to add my honey, my 1 tablespoon of honey to my half a cup of milk. And I'm just going to stir that around a little bit. Pour that right in. And all that sweet honey. Next, I'm going to put the top on my blender very tightly. Touch it to my base. Make sure it's on right. Okay, and here we go. Blend it until it's the thickness that you'd like. Now, we're ready to pour and enjoy. I always like to eat mine through a straw. Here we go. That looks delicious. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed making your mango banana smoothie with me today. Bye.